Hello, young farmers! Welcome to our farm adventure today. Get ready for a fun-filled journey into the world of cows, chickens, pigs, and more. Our first stop is the cow. Cows are gentle giants that provide us with delicious milk. Did you know that cows have 4 stomachs? That's right. They need all those stomachs to digest their food properly. Cows are moving constantly during grazing and can cover 13 kilometers per day. Cows are very social animals. Next up, we have our feathered friends, the chickens. Chickens are fantastic at finding tasty bugs to eat, which helps keep pests away from the farm. And did you know that chickens can come in different colors, like white, brown, and even black? Chickens have a profound memory and are able to distinguish between more than 100 faces of their species. They can also recognize people. Look at these playful piggies having a great time in the mud. Pigs are super smart animals, just like us. They love to play and explore their surroundings. Did you know that pigs communicate with each other using more than 20 different sounds? They're quite the chatterboxes. Now, let's gallop over to meet our majestic friends, the horses. Horses are incredibly strong and intelligent animals. They've been our loyal companions for centuries, helping us with work and transportation. Did you know that horses can sleep standing up? It's true. Their legs have a special locking mechanism that allows them to rest while staying on their feet. And now, let's hop over to say hello to our furry friends, the rabbits. Rabbits are adorable little creatures known for their long ears and fluffy tails. They're experts at hopping and love munching on fresh veggies. Did you know that rabbits have 28 teeth and they never stop growing? That's why they need to chew on things to keep their teeth healthy and trimmed. Most rabbits can actually turn their ears 180 degrees. This rotation can pinpoint the exact location of a sound. Wow! And last but not least, let's waddle over to meet our quaky friends, the ducks. Ducks are excellent swimmers and love splashing around in the water. They have special oils on their feathers that keep them waterproof. Plus, ducks are great at gobbling up pesky insects, making them valuable helpers on the farm. Ducks can live up to 20 years, depending on the species and if well cared for. Well, young farmers, our farm adventure has come to an end. We've learned so much about cows, chickens, pigs, horses, rabbits, and ducks today. Remember, each of these animals plays a special role on the farm, helping us in different ways. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks for joining me on this farmtastic journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our educational adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around you. Bye-bye, young farmers!